How to park a domain in WHM. This demo assumes you've already logged into WebHost Manager. Now let's learn how to park a domain in WHM. Customers can park domains themselves from their cPanel control panels, so you'll rarely have to use this feature in WHM. Click the DNS Functions link. Then click the Park a Domain link. Parking a domain will automatically set up a DNS zone in the server. In this tutorial, we want to point or park a new domain to an existing domain. Select the existing domain here. Then enter the new domain name in the Domain to Park window. Then click Submit. That's it! We've just created a new DNS zone so that our new domain will point to our existing domain. Make sure that you now update the name servers of the parked domain to the same values as anotherdomain.com. Both domain names must have the same name server settings, and after 24 to 48 hours of propagation, the new domain will be successfully pointing to the original domain. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to park a domain in WHM. Remember that your customer can't do this themselves with their domains from their cPanel.